Among the range of products, we have 2 earbuds and 1 smartwatch from Levin. And in this video, we are unboxing Levin Storm Pods. Do check the other videos on our channel. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Let's get started. Here's the box. It has simple minimal design, just a preview and the branding in the corner. On the back there are highlights and more information. Now let's unbox. Now these earbuds are available on their website at 2,599 rupees. You can buy it on Flipkart and Amazon at 1799 and 1499 respectively. It comes in black, white and grey colors. We have it in the white color. First we have the earbuds case itself, followed by Type-C cable, extra ear tips, a qualified certificate tag, user manual and warranty card. Now here's the case. Let's have a physical overview. This case is oval shaped and kind of looks like a powder box, as some might say. On the front there is branding LED light, no groove to open lid. On the bottom there is Type-C port, rest of the case is plain. It looks pretty neat. Once we open the lid, there are L and R markings, and let's take out the earbuds. Now these are the earbuds. On the back they have logo, that's also the touch control area, and the stems are pretty long, longer than usual stems of earbuds, which is pretty nice as it gives you grip to hold the earbuds while taking them out or putting them in. And they have LEDs. On the other side there is ear tips and L and R markings on each earbud, and there are mics. On the bottom there is charging pins. Now this comes with playback of 60 hours with the charging case. It has 13mm drivers and it comes with Boston signature sound. It also has beast mode and it comes with IPX7 water and sweat resistance. 5 minutes of charge offers 60 minutes playback, and it has the ASAP charge technology. All of this weighs 110 grams. Now coming to pairing, open the lid and search for Levin Storm Pods. Tap to pair and connect. That's it. It's pretty simple. As for functionality, you can single tap to play or pause, double tap on the right to play next, double tap on the left to play previous, triple tap on the right to increase volume, triple tap on the left to decrease volume. Now coming to the review, the case itself is pretty nice, but it's slightly bigger than usual cases, but that's not a problem. It weighs not too much, so it won't feel too heavy in your pocket. It's a plain case and it is in oval shape, so holding it feels really nice. As for audio quality, it is good. About 20 to 30% volume levels, it is pretty loud and clear. You don't even need to go to higher volume levels unless necessary. It's surprisingly loud even below 50% volume. And even at high volume levels, it sounds nice. Overall, it has decent quality. Don't expect too much in terms of richness of detail, but it sounds very well rounded and balanced. As for call quality, it is nice and you can hear the other party well, and while they are talking you can't hear the background noise. Overall, it is a good product. Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.